Ever feel like you're running on a treadmill, working harder and harder, but getting nowhere financially? There's a brutal truth nobody talks about. Poverty isn't just about lacking money. It's a carefully designed trap. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to break free from it. What if I told you that staying poor isn't your fault? The system is actually designed to keep you there. Think about it. When you're poor, you pay more for everything. Bad credit, higher interest rates, can't afford good health insurance, medical bills crush you. No savings, emergency expenses become catastrophic. This isn't just bad luck. It's a cycle deliberately hard to escape. Let me share something personal. 3 years ago, I was drowning in debt, living paycheck to paycheck with less than $100 in my savings account. Every financial setback felt like quicksand pulling me deeper. But then I discovered the hidden rules that keep people trapped in poverty and how to break them. Here's what nobody tells you. The biggest trap isn't in your wallet, it's in your mind. Poverty shapes your psychology in ways you don't even realize. When you're constantly in survival mode, your brain physically changes. You become focused on immediate needs rather than long-term planning. You make decisions based on scarcity, not growth. But here's the good news. Once you understand these forces, you can reverse them. The first step, break the scarcity mindset. Instead of focusing on what you lack, start building your abundance muscle. Begin with just $5 a week. Force yourself to save it no matter what. This isn't about the money, it's about rewiring your brain to think differently. Second, invest in financial knowledge. The wealthy don't just have more money, they have information that you don't. Devote 20 minutes daily to learning about money. Not get-rich-quick schemes, but real financial literacy. This knowledge is your leverage. Third, and this is crucial, build a skill that the market values. In today's economy, specialized skills are currency. Choose one in-demand skill and become exceptional at it. This creates options that poverty tries to take away from you. The fourth step might surprise you. Examine your circle. The painful truth, sometimes your environment is designed to keep you exactly where you are. The 5 people you spend the most time with shape your ambitions and habits. Choose wisely. Finally, create multiple income streams. The average millionaire has 7. Start with just one side hustle, something small that can grow. This isn't about working yourself to death, it's about creating options. Now comment below which strategy you're starting with today. And remember, poverty is a trap, not a destiny. And now you have the key to escape it.